Next, we can begin working on the eyes. I'm still using a 2B pencil. Even though I maintained most of my outlines when I erased the guidelines, there are a few spots that got smudged by the eraser, so I'm going to retrace the outline of the first eye. Then I'll draw the pupil. A kitten has a very different pupil from a human. Draw a vertical slit slightly left of center that still curves on the kitten's eyeball. Do the same for the other eye. Darken the outline of the eye. Then draw the pupil a little left of center.